Classification of governments by Aristotle. According to Aristotle, he classified governments into six types. He only classified in the world. Initially, he classified governments into six types: rule by one, rule by few, rule by many. There are six types of governments: monarchy and tyranny, aristocracy and oligarchy, polity and democracy. These are classified by the Aristotle. Monarchy, that is completely based on welfare oriented, where there is welfare, well-being of the citizens in the particular state. That was monarchy, ruled by one, ruled by one. That is monarchical form of government. Initially, that is good government, and it will be converted after few days. That is tyrannical form of government. A single ruler may be a form tyrannical form of government. It should suppress everyone. There is no rights and responsibilities for the citizens of the state. Everywhere there is restriction and constraints imposed by the king. So there is no opposition in the state. That is tyrannical form of government. There is only cruel rule. That is tyrannical form of government. Second one is Third one is aristocracy. After that, aristocratic form of government may be formed. Few members they formed this government based on welfare oriented principles, well-being and betterment of the people. So on this purpose, it was formed by the people. That is aristocracy. They will provide all the facilities for the citizens who are the part in the state. And after oligarchy, there is suppression which was formed by the cruel rulers. Few members formed a government that is cruel, a cruel rule based. That is bad government according to Aristotle. Then after peoples were suffered a lot with cruel rulers, it led to form a new government that is polity according to Aristotle, that is best government. This was ruled by many people can rule citizens. That is welfare oriented and betterment and well-being of the citizens. According to Aristotle, middle class people may be part in this large number of people may be part in this pol- polity. That is the best government according to him. Finally, it led to form a new government that is democracy. Everybody knows about this, for the people, of the people, and by the people. So, large number of people, many people, formed a government based on based on mob. According to Aristotle, that is bad government. Plato criticized that is a mob rule, which was found by the illiterates, which was found by the illiterates, that is